Hi, lovely people. Welcome back. So if you read my description, I'm going to be unboxing a box called the Merrier. I'm not sure how to pronounce it. Box. I did get this sent to me for review. I did not pay for it. This is not sponsored. I just got it for review. I did this box a few months ago and I really liked it. It was the one with the water bottle and it had your name on it. So it had my name, Anne. So the owner reached out to me again and asked if I would review the box, and I said absolutely, because I really did like the first box. This is more like a lifestyle box, I guess you would say. It's not all like beauty or like makeup. It is $29 a month, but you do pay $6 for shipping. But I do have a code in all caps AN20, which does save you 20% off. I will leave the link down below. I do not get anything out of it. It is just for you guys. So this did come off. If you don't know, my mother's house, I get everything sent to my mother's house. And this was a while ago that she did send it to me, but my mom's house caught on fire. So I had a lot of things on top of it, so it kind of got messed up. Anyway, enough of me babbling. Let's open up this puppy and see what is in here. Okay, I did cut the tape, and it comes like this. So if this table shakes a little bit, I am doing my setup now in my room, since my mother and grandmother are staying with me for about 5 or 6 months till they can go back in their house when it is built. Usually I do everything in the dining room, but I didn't want to, you know, make them uncomfortable and have them be quiet and all that kind of stuff. So I have this set up in my room, and this table is a little shaky every time I like touch it or put something on it. So I do apologize. I am doing like 3 or 4 videos in the same day, but I will get better. I'm going to get a sturdier table. So just bear with me. So we take that off, and this is what it looks like. Okay, let's see what it says. Excuse me. All right, the first thing says, an extra special gift for you, custom Martha Stewart stainless wine glass, retail value for $10. That's exciting. So I believe this is September's box. It says in this month's box, it tells you what everything is and what the prices are, which I really do like that as well. This says yes it is. September's theme is Lifestyles Essentials. So every month there is a theme, which I do like that as well. So I'm just going to move some of these squiggly things so we can see what is in here. Okay, let's move this out of the way. So now we can see what's in the box. So there we go. Like I said, I do really like this box, and the first thing I see, which I am excited about, is from Beauty Creations. This is the Cali set. So this is an eyeshadow palette. This is $17. So right there almost pays for the box. So let's open this up. So that's what it looks like. Ooh, this is beautiful. So it does come with a mirror. I'm just going to get that out of the way so I don't blind you. I'm going to take this thing off. Come on, Anne. What the heck? Oh, it's taped. Oh, I just hit one of the shadows. So that's what it looks like. That's really, really pretty. I'm not going to swatch it because I don't know if I'm going to put this in a giveaway or not. I'm not sure, but that's really, really pretty. Because I believe in another subscription box, we're getting the same thing. I'm not sure which one. So if it's the same thing, I'll put it in a giveaway. If it's a different one, then I probably will keep it, to be honest. Okay, so the next thing is from Luxe. This is Mario. So I don't know if this is let's see. Ooh, this is beautiful. It is a bracelet. That is gorgeous. Let's see what it says. All right, Luxe by Mario. This is it's called Stacy. It's a bracelet, which is $7. It says, this white marble and gold bracelet goes well with any outfit. That is really, really pretty. And I like it because you can, you know, move it to make it fit. So that is gorgeous. I have to tighten that up a little bit. I really, really like that. That's really pretty. Okay, let me put that back. Okay. The next thing we got looks like this little change purse from Clark's. This is really pretty as well. Put your cards in there, your ID. That's really nice. Let's open her up. So let's take the paper out, and that's what the inside looks like. Really, really pretty. I really like this. I need this like for my change and stuff. And you can also put your keys on there or hook this on your pocketbook. I really, really like this as well. I really like this box so far. Let's see. This would be $10. This is a Clark's leather coin purse. Use this functional and fashionable purse as your everyday accessory. So that's nice. Okay. The next thing we got is this nourishing cleansing oil from Garnier. So that's good. And how much is this? Okay, that would be $10.99. I will make sure in the description box I'll add everything up and let you know what the value is and see if the box is worth the $29 plus $6 shipping. But like I said, if you use my code, then it'll help out a little bit. All right, so this right here, what is this? Looks like a little, is this a brush? I don't know what this is. This is a silicone shampoo brush worth $5. Get the ultimate deep clean with this scalp massaging brush. So, you just massage your head. That's really good. They say, I've never tried it, but I've heard that this is really good to help you like stunt your hair growth if you're losing hair or anything like that. I don't know how true that is. Okay, the next thing, there's quite a few I can't talk today, quite a few things in here. This is a nail polish from Sept. It's a little mini nail polish, which I don't mind either because it's not like I love to get nail polish. I don't mind them, but I don't like love it. And also nail polishes for me, because I don't always paint my nails, always last a long time. So this mini thing would last me a while. And I do like the color. I really, really do. This is, where are you? $5.99. Okay, the next thing, yes, we got a makeup brush. So I like getting brushes. This is a powder brush for $9. It says this brush is a multi-purpose tool that is great for any makeup user. But let's just see how it is. Let's see. Okay, that's soft. It's not real dense. It's dense, but not real dense. Like, I would not use this for foundation. I would use it exactly what it says for powder, to brush off the powder under your eyes or something like that, or to powder your face. I don't know why I just smelled that. I really do like this. So that is cool. Did I say how much this was? Where are you at? $9. I think I did tell you that. Okay, a couple more things in here. This is a Maybelline Dream Fresh BB Cream. So this has SPF 30 in it. And this is $8.99. So let's see. And it does have a safety seal if you guys can see. So that's good. BB creams I do like. I do enjoy. I enjoy them more in the summer. So I'm not sure what shade it is. That's what it looks like. But with BB creams, this is really, really dark. Really dark. But you can rub it in. Let me show you. So once you like really rub it in, do you see? You really can't tell. So I can definitely use this. Actually, it's really nice. Yeah, so that's good. And I told you that. So last but not least, what's wrong with me today? Last but not least, this is, I guess, that Martha Stewart thing. And it is wrapped up pretty good. And then, oh, it's wrapped up again. Do I see my name on this again? Oh my God, this is so cool. That's how that water bottle thingy was. I know this table's shaking. I will definitely get better. Look at this. It has my name, Anne. Oh, that is so, so nice. That's what I like about this subscription. You always get custom things with your name. So I really enjoyed that. And this would be $10 what this tag said. So I definitely think this box is worth the $29. You know, I've always said I don't like the fact that you have to pay for shipping, but I do know this is a newer box. This is a newer company, so I do think everything is worth it. I like getting different things too. I don't always like getting makeup, and I really do. The owner is really nice, but I do like the fact that you get a palette, you get custom things. We got a brush, we got nail polish. I really did, and I'm not just saying this because I did get this free for a review. Like I said, I'm not paid to talk about this. I always say I give honest reviews. I do like this box. I mean, I would definitely pay for this myself if she didn't send this to me this month. So let me know. And I'm going to try this to see if it works because I do have thinning hair. I'm going to look this up because I heard that. Let me know in the comments below. Is it true? I don't know. Does that work? Let me know. But if you don't know, I do have a little giveaway going on right now with my Ipsy. I usually do Ipsy versus Ipsy, and then what I do is anything I get doubles of with things I know I'm not going to use, I will put it aside, and once I get a makeup bag that is filled, I usually have a giveaway. So I will leave that down below as well, and check that out. Do I have anything else I have to say? I don't think I do. Let me know what you think of this box. Please like this video. It really does help me out. I always leave videos right here in case you want to watch more of me. And guys, until my next video. Bye.